Okay, YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And we are out here at the track. We have a lot of things out here today. We have like the Huracan right here. We have a few ZL1s running around here on the track right now. Viper ACR, M6, a few Mustangs. So we got a lot. Like I feel like today too is like it's a lot of Camaros, like tons of Camaros here today. So I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage. GoPro strapped on the front of the car here. As you can see, look funny as hell with no PDR. But got my phone mount too with Track Addict to put on the windshield. So I'm gonna try to get the best footage I can. Beautiful color. You can't go wrong with black and the gold. Oh, yeah, that interior is just. This is gonna age really well. Right now, we're just watching the cars go by at the moment. Like this is the first group that's going by. I'm thinking it's like the expert level. If not, it's the level below it that's going around getting used to the track, getting familiar with it. So we're gonna watch a couple of these, and then it's gonna be my turn coming up next. Okay, it looks like the group one has finished getting their laps in, so it's time for my group to come up. So wish me luck. This is gonna be pretty fun. Me take you guys along with me to showcase my driving skills. So let's get into it. Look at the tires after doing about 4 laps. Yeah, I don't think I can save these. I'm gonna try to clean them, but look, they coming off a little bit. I don't even have an E down there a little bit no more. My best lap was lap 3. I lapped 1 minute and 36. So that's pretty good. Meat still doing good on here. I dropped the tires. My first go around, I dropped the tires. I had that was 35, and then they went up to 40s. And then now on this second go around, I lapped them up, and I dropped the PSI, and I went 30s all the way around, and they handled it a lot better. So that's something to consider with these. Okay, so I'm making improvements since I've been out here. So my first run, I did 1 minute and 36. The second run that I'm showing you guys, I did 1 minute and 34. So I improved my lap time. So I'm gonna get out here one more time and then take a break, because man, as y'all see, my tire letters coming off, which is not a big deal, but man, like that just tell you how much heat flex my tires doing. So I'm gonna do that, do this lap one more time, run out with my boy Nick B in this 1LE. Crazy, I'm having fun. That's what it's all about, chilling with good people. I met for the first time Hisham in this ZR1. Cool dude. His ZR1 get down. He can really know how to drive that boy on the track. So yeah, so let's watch this footage. Look like after a track day, tire letters and everything. Like you can see even like little chips from my brake dust down there in the wheel well. Crazy day, but a lot of fun. So my best time was a 134. I didn't beat it the last time going out. I had a 135, so that's okay. Still have fun. It's hot. At the end of the day, it's worth it. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.